Let's make everything seasoning. Now, everything bagels have been around for a bajillion years. I remember eating them in college, and I'm not even going to tell you how long ago that was. It was a while. But of course, in the past couple of years, suddenly we're seeing everything seasoning on everything, right? And recently I have been seeing just the seasoning in the stores, and it's incredibly expensive, which of course, like everything else, kind of irritates me because it's so incredibly easy to throw together. It's made with ingredients that are really super inexpensive, and it's like lemon pepper or oh shoot, the steak seasonings, and it's just the stuff you keep in your pantry or stuff that's easy to go find. And it's way cheaper to throw it together yourself. So here's how you do it. All right. Oh, this is also one of those things that's a ratio. So you don't really even have to remember how many teaspoons of what. You just remember the ratio, right? So the highest part is sesame seeds. So this is 16 grams, right? Everything else is half of that. So whatever you have of the white sesame seeds, you have half of that amount of everything else. So if you have 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds, you have 1 tablespoon of all your other ingredients, right? So I measured this, and so it's 16 grams, so it's 8 grams of everything else, right? So white sesame seeds, poppy seeds, I don't remember which is which. One of these is minced dried onion and minced dried garlic. And again, 8 grams. Kosher salt. You can use flaked salt, diamond salt, Maldon salt, any of those. But you want a nice chunky texture. Don't use iodized or table salt for that. And finally, black sesame seeds, just like that. And then you just toss it together and then, on your counter. I have a kid who lives on avocado toast, and she loves bagels. She doesn't like everything bagels. She likes bagels with cream cheese and everything seasoning, which I think is hilarious. And you saw how hard that was. Seconds. You can actually do this. So 16 grams plus 8 of everything else. So if you have your little bottles, you can set that on here and measure everything just into one container and mix it up. You don't have to do this maneuver. I do it just to show you the ingredients. But there you go. Took literally 3 minutes, and most of it was me talking. Everything seasoning.